In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the advanced filter in Excel. With the advanced filter, you're able to filter by many criteria and you're able to copy results to another location. Here we have a large amount of data here. To set up the advanced filter, we need three things. We need the source, we need the criteria, and we need the destination. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select our criteria. So I would like to select by type. So I'm going to go select the type heading and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go paste it in about M. Now I would like to filter by just the fuel. So I'm going to go select the fuel and copy it and place it below the type. Now the other criteria I would like to use is the salesperson. And so I'm going to go select the salesperson heading here and put it next to the M column with N. And then I would like to select John as the salesperson. So I'm going to go select him and I'm going to place him below the salesperson. So now what we do is we click in the middle of our data. And then we're going to go to the Data tab, and then we're going to the Sort and Filter section, and we're going to Advanced Filter. So now we get this dialog box up, and the very first thing we do is we're going to copy to another location. Since we have selected a cell in our range, it has decided that this is the data we'd like to do. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to select the two headings and two values for our criteria. And now we're going to go and we're going to click in the cell to copy to, and now we're going to select a location where we want this to go. And so I'm going to select just a couple rows down from where our criteria is. And then we say OK. Now I'll just double click to get these to, there you see, you have all the fuel that John sold filtered out of this data. Okay, so now let's show you how to filter your data to another worksheet. So what we're going to do is I'm going to select all of this, press Control Shift down arrow, and then I'm going to go to my Home tab and I'm going to select Clear All. Okay, so the other thing I would like to do is I would like to define a day. And so we're going to go Billing Date, and we're going to go Control C, and we're going to put that in the column next to Salesperson. We'll go Control V, and let's pick a day, let's say 7/8/2015, and we're going to put it down here and Control V. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and insert sheet 2, and we're going to go to our Data tab. We're going to go to Advanced Filter. It needs to be the active sheet for us to place our data results of our filter here. And so what we're going to do is we are going to go copy to another location, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over to sheet 1. We're going to move this over to a bit, and we're going to select from the top here, and we're going to go Control Shift down arrow, and now you see that it's selected all our 9,000 records. And then we're going to click in the criteria range, and it's going to go back to our sheet 2, and that's just fine. We'll go back to sheet 1 here, and what will go is the top, and we're going to select the type, salesperson, billing date, and then we're going to copy 2, and now let's select B2 in sheet 2. And now we go OK. And there you have the information filtered from sheet 1 and placed on sheet 2 based on the criteria that you have described. So that's how you use the advanced filter in Excel. Please subscribe.